Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your Chrome OS is up to date and you have enough storage. This avoids interruptions. Next, open the camera app or press Shift plus Control plus show Windows to launch the built-in screen recorder. Once you see the red recording dot or timer in the shelf, make sure the correct source is selected, screen, window, or camera, so that when you stop, you don't lose the wrong footage. Now stop the recording using the visible stop button on the shelf or the system tray recorder icon. This ensures the file finalizes properly. Alternatively, press the same shortcut you used to start recording. On many Chromebooks, that's Shift plus Control plus show Windows. Once stopped, wait for the processing notification. Make sure the preview appears before closing apps. Doing this prevents corrupt files and confirms your recording saved to the Downloads folder or designated folder. Finally, locate your saved file in Downloads and play it to verify audio and video are intact. If you need long-term storage, rename and move it to Google Drive. Make sure permissions allowed microphone and camera access so future recordings work. If the file didn't save, check trash and available storage, then reopen the recorder and test a short clip. If that still fails, restart Chrome OS and recheck permissions before attempting another full recording.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.